Hi, third graders. I wanted to take just a minute and just kind of walk you through Google Classroom and make sure that you know how to submit assignments to me, or at least show me that you're done. We'll submit more, and if you guys have questions on this, I can answer them on our Zoom call. So I'm going to switch over to our class. So I've created a fake third grade student. It's called Falcon Third, so that I could see what you see as a student. So let's look here really quick first. This is our stream. So this is when you come in and the stream is at the top. This is the very first page. So I will always have our Zoom meeting at the very top, and then right below it is our call. So here's our call for Tuesday. So you should have already watched that first, and then this video will be right below it. This was yesterday's call, Monday. So if you missed that video, it's there, not call, video. That's there. So this is where you can go in and make sure that you see what's happening for the day. Then we're going to go to classwork. So when I look at the classwork, it starts at the top with our weekly work. So here's your vocab reference sheet and then an art project. And then I will be putting science in here. I just haven't done it yet. I'm trying not to have things be too much for you guys this week. But so I will eventually put a really cool science thing in there for you. And then here is Tuesday. This is March 31st. These are the things that you need to do today. So if I click on this, I can look at the assignment, read the story, and answer the questions. So I'm going to view the assignment. And once I do this, I'm going to mark it as done. Now, that tells me I then get notice that you finished that assignment. I'm going to go back to the class, and I'm going to look at growth mindset. Now, this looks a little different. It says complete Tuesday and watch this video. In a private comment, tell me the tip that you think will help you the most. This will be a grade for growth mindset. So right here is a quick video that talks about how to boost your confidence, which is what we're talking about. And in this private comment, you will write me the tip. I can't type today. The tip that helped me the most was, and then you're going to tell me what that was, and you're going to hit that. Then you're going to mark this as complete. Then I'm going to go back to my class, to my classwork, and you'll notice that these are now grayed out. That means that you finished those. Then in your vocab and growth mindset, I told you that I was going to move your vocab write a sentence. So here, it's right here. And this will be a grade. If you do it all week long, then I will give you a grade for writing your sentences. So in the class comments, write a sentence using the word continuous. Yesterday we did it in a stream, but I think this will be easier. So there was a continuous, I can't spell again, continuous rainfall all night. So I used that word in a sentence, and you guys will see that when you log in, and then all the class comments, then everybody can see all of our cool sentences. Then I want to make sure I click mark as done. And that way, Mrs. Ryan knows and you know that your classwork is done. So if I look here, I can keep going. When I complete my math sheets, I can view the assignment. Now, you could have your parents take a picture, and you could send me a picture by going to your Google Drive and sending me a picture. You don't have to do that for these assignments because starting tomorrow, math is going to look different. But if you wanted to ever attach your work, you could. And you're going to click mark as done when you're finished. Then I go back to classwork, and I'm slowly getting ready to keep going through my day. Now, practicing MobyMax. Once I spend my 15 minutes, you'll click done. I did a video for your families. I can actually see every day on MobyMax if you did your 15 minutes. And we'll talk about that on our Zoom call too. Then you're reading. Once you read, you'll click done. And if you read the one and only Ivan, you'll click done. And then we're going to talk about the one and only Ivan on our one of our Zoom calls too. We've got some things we need to work out. So I will always post the most current day at the top. So if you missed something from yesterday, it's right here, and you can go in and click complete. It helps me know that you're staying on track if you hit finish. And then that way I know what you did or didn't do. Now, I know that you guys are all trying to figure out your schedules. So I want you, if you get overwhelmed and you don't finish, let's say you didn't finish your math mystery, that's okay. You can finish it today and then just go back and hit complete when you're done. But don't hit complete until you actually do it. The other thing is yesterday, I saw a lot of people already hitting complete for your reading for Tuesday. We shouldn't be reading ahead. I don't mind if you read more than 30 minutes. That's totally okay. But I want you to make sure you do it every day. So none of Tuesday should be complete on Monday. So, and I don't even have Wednesday posted. I probably won't do it until after you're already done Tuesday at this point. So I hope that that helps explain a little bit about our classwork and what it looks like and how to submit. In here, let me show you one more thing. I showed you private comments are there, class comments are there, mark is done. And if you need help with anything, you just need to let me know. So I hope that that was helpful, and I will see you on our Zoom call, and then I can answer any questions that you guys have. I miss you, and I hope you have a great day.